Founded in 1953 in Changchun, northeast China's Jilin province, China's leading automaker China Fall Group is known as the cradle of China's auto industry. China's first Jiefang truck, first Dongfeng sedan, and first high-end passenger car Hongqi were all produced by Fall in the 1950s. A car involves tens of thousands of parts. However, 70 years ago, Fall workers started from scratch by knocking out the car body with a hammer.
所以说红旗那真是完了是手工，开始都是手工的。样车研制的时候，把件儿放到那地方，你大家看，你谁能干哪一个，你就拿哪一个。开始就是这样的呀。
Under such conditions, the trial production of the first Hongqi took only over a month, which inspired the whole country. Today, China's auto industry is moving towards intelligent manufacturing. Integrated robots, ultrasonic equipment for quality testing, and advanced predictive maintenance have been applied in Fall's two modern factories.
在整个工厂里呢，我们基于这种先进的工艺的产线，然后在数字化技术的加持之下呢，处于我们行业的一个首创的技术。同时，我们全过程的自动化的物流以及这个质量的管控的一些措施，在行业呢也是处于了一个领先的一个水平。
Fall has also established an R&D institute and implemented a series of management measures to further encourage innovation. In 2022, the export value of the group's subsidiaries, Fall Jiefang, Fall Benteng, and its leading sedan brand, Hongqi, registered a record high of over 6 billion yuan.